Here we go, guys. Look at our stone. This most tiny stone that we have today. We opened our tumbler, so they are so beautiful. Let's focus a little. This, guys. So you can see that. These are the stone, and they're getting beautiful. This one is some kind of hard stone, so it's need more polish. Unlike this one is a little polish more, so it will be better. This one, look at this one. It's a beautiful stone. As you can see, it's a rough here, so need more polish. So we need time to spend more to polish this one. But about this, how about this one? This one is in the shiny a little, so it's all perfect. So it's shiny, so separate this one. Need to put this one in other for the next next processing of shining to make it shine better. This one, there's a little here, something a little here, rough, white, almost get there. So also this one is this little rough, so it need more to polish. Also this one, we're gonna check this one. Oh, this is beautiful, but not quite. Here, there's a little rough here, so need more polish. Spend more time for polishing. How about this? So this is perfect. So this is beautiful enough. So I'm gonna separate this one for the next polishing. How about this one? Almost get here, just only this portion, this part of this. It's not quite almost perfect. And how about this? Also this one, there's something rough here. How about this? Okay, it's quite good. A little rough here, so it needs more polish. Let's see another. Check this. This one, a little rough on this side. This part need more polish a little. How about this one? This part. This one needs to be polished. There's something rough. How about this? It's beautiful stone. A little rough here. So need more polish. But this one here need to be polished too. So this green need to be polished because it's rough. How about this? This one is a rough. There's a rough on this side, so need more polish. Fine. How about this gray? This gray is perfect already. So let's separate this one to the next polish. So we're gonna find some more. So this is something rough here. So need more polish. And then also that one. How about this one? It's quite good. So this is better now. So I'm gonna take this next level of polish. Okay, need more polish. Now this one need more polish. Also that one need more polish. So that's it. The rest are not quite. So this one need to be polished. So we need to put back this into our tumbler for another days of polishing. So there's no more. So most of these are rough. So this one rough. Okay, those are rough. So let's spend more time for polish. So see you guys for the next video. We're gonna try to separate this one for our next process. So thank you guys for watching. To God be the glory.